1, 2, 3. Look. No, look at the eyelashes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janine. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Anyway guys, today I'm going to be reviewing these magnetic eyelashes from ASOS. If you are like me and you have problems applying eyelashes, then stay tuned, this video is for you. Alright guys, so let's open the bag. Baby is sleeping at the moment, so I might get his reaction to my new eyelashes once he wakes up. Right, so okay, comes in another sealed bag. Let's open this one. Ooh, they look kind of cute still. So these are the eyelashes. As you can see, they are from a company called Eylure London, or Eylure, however you pronounce it, Eylure London, whatever. And they come with a top and a bottom with the magnets on them, but they both apply to your upper eyelash. It's got some steps on the back on how to apply it. I've never really been one to apply all this stuff on my face and ting. But you know, it's good to try new things sometimes, so yeah, I'll be trying these magnetic eyelashes. When I told my partner, he's
like, you go until you get infection in your eye.
Okay, anyway, so it's got some kind of applicator thing here. I guess that's to press the eyelashes down. And there you have the eyelashes, guys. The instructions say to apply mascara first of all. So let me get my mascara. 1 second. Okay, I have my mascara. It's literally a cheap one. As I said, I'm not really all that into makeup. Okay, let's do the other eyelash. Alright, I think that will do. Let's see what the next step is. Okay, so step 2, it says to place upper lash on lash line. Okay, so this thing is really for novice people like me. Thank you guys. So you have the right side and the left side, just in case you get confused. It's got the R and the L. So let's take the right one first. Let's take the left one first. How far am I meant to place this in? I don't even know. Okay, anyway, let's just place it there. Try not to let it fall off. Okay, it's falling off. Let's do the next step. The next step says to use applicator to place lower lash. Okay, so let's get the lower lash out first. Then they can clip together at the same time. So I'm going to hold it like that. And where's the upper one going? Okay, so there's magnets at the top of this one, magnets at the bottom of this one, and we're going to apply it together at the same time. That makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Please don't pinch my eye. Oh, I'm scared. Do you know, I need to look in the mirror for this. Okay, guys, so I tried to put it on my eyelash, but I don't know if you guys can see the gap. Like, it's not right up to my lash line. It's like hanging on there. But if you zoom out, it actually looks nice, doesn't it? Do you know what it is? I think I'm a bit scared to put it so close to my eyeball. I feel like it's gonna clip my eyeball and I'm gonna go blind. But anyway, I'm gonna leave that one on like that. And let's do the next one. Oh my gosh, this is fun. Where has this been all my life? Where have I been? Hiding under a rock? Alright, this time I'm gonna try and put it a little bit closer. Stop being a chicken, Janine. Okay, why did I close my eye? Probably best to keep your eye open so that it doesn't clip both of them together. Yeah, I did it, guys. Okay, let me go and get baby because he's crying. Because he's woken up. I'm going to put my sunglasses on so he doesn't see my eyelashes. Let me go and get him. Say hi, guys. He's getting so big. Alright, do you want to see Mummy's new eyelashes? Yes? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, look. Look, Kai. Look. No, look at the eyelashes. No, I don't think he even notices. He's got a bit of like hyperpigmentation. I think he probably got it from me. My skin used to look a bit patchy. Anyway, guys, I really like the eyelashes. Oh my gosh, where have these been all my life? Bun these other ones that you have to put on with glue and stuff. Never again. Even if I knew how to do them, I think magnetic eyelashes are the way to go. So I just repositioned them like to be in the right place, and they feel okay actually. Like, it doesn't feel like there's flies in my eyes anymore. They feel lightweight. Oh my gosh, I really like them, guys. I might just never leave my house again without eyelashes. I'm joking, but they really do make such a big difference to your face. I feel like a new woman. Yeah, I know your mum's a little bit mad, isn't she? Yeah, guys, I'm loving them. I'm definitely going to give these a thumbs up. I will be wearing these again. I can't remember how much they cost. I think it was like £13 or something like that. I will put the link in the description box below anyway. That is the end of my review, really. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay. Do you have anything to say, Kai Kai? Yeah? Say goodbye to the people. Yeah? You just want to jump about. If you have any ideas of things that I can review or do let me know. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Take care, God bless, and bye.